See it?
Let's hear it.
Say what? Say what? Say what? Going to say what? Say it. Okay, today what we're gonna do today. Can you see all that junk food right here? Junk, 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 junk. Junk to junk, 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 junk. Water, fruit, vegetables. And tell me what you see from the difference. Junk food, healthy. Junk food, healthy. Because this is all the stuff that makes you fat, it makes you chubby, it makes you like sit all day watching TV, playing video games. And you see there's junk food and this is healthy food. It's carrots. You eat this. This is green apple and red apple. Green apple, sometimes it's sour. Red apple, sometimes it's sweet. A eggplant. This is what it looks like when it grows. This is why it's called an eggplant, because it looks like an egg with plant. These are avocados. You know how you say how you smush them up and use them as a dip? This is what it looks like when it's not smushed up. These are bell peppers. These are snap peas. You snap them. See? See? And I'm going to show you the seed. This is the seed. And this is called cocktails. Cocktails. These are called fruit cocktails. Popcorn is corn. How you make the popcorn in the old times, they put it in a bowl, and they put fire under it, and they pop the popcorn. Because there's seeds in here and stuff. Yeah. Drink water. Drink 2 bottles of water every single day. Have you heard of ants on a log? If you have, good. So celery, you put peanut butter, you get this in peanut butter. So you take a part of it, and peanut butter. And it's on the log. I'm spreading the log. So I'm gonna put on some raisins for the ants. 1, 2, 3. The following is 11 ants. I'm going to take these scrunchies. Maybe one day, if you stay exercising, you can just grow like me. Thank you for watching. Bye.